Hi y'all, welcome to The Basics with Cocktail & Sons and the Underground Cooking Club. My name is Chandler Tomayko and today I'll be teaching you how to stir a cocktail. Stirring is a mixing technique used to create many cocktails. A good rule of thumb to remember is to use this method when your recipe does not include citrus juice. You'll see it used in many classic cocktails such as the Manhattan, a Negroni, and the Old Fashioned. The purpose of stirring is to chill and dilute your cocktail before serving it. To stir a cocktail, you will need a few tools: a mixing glass, a cocktail spoon, and a strainer. To demonstrate this technique today, I thought I would make an Old Fashioned. I've already incorporated all of the ingredients for my cocktail into my mixing glass, and now I'm going to fill my mixing glass about halfway with ice. And now for the important part. You want to take your cocktail spoon and hold it between your thumb and your two first fingers. I like to hold mine like a pencil. There are some people who prefer to hold it under their second finger. Once you try this a few times at home, you'll be able to adjust your technique for whatever is most comfortable for your style. You want to insert the spoon using the back side to touch the inside of your mixing glass and push it all the way to the bottom. We're going to use our wrist to create a stirring motion, tracing the inside of the glass with the back of our spoon. It's really important to remember we're not mixing cake, we're not stirring pasta sauce. We want to be very deliberate with all of our movements. And for a cocktail such as this, you want to stir for about 30 seconds. You should be able to feel the ice diluting, it should be moving around. Just remember to press the back of the spoon against the mixing glass. Once you've stirred your cocktail for about 30 seconds, you'll remove your spoon and you'll use a strainer to strain your cocktail into a glass, usually over fresh ice. And it's as simple as that. Cheers! I hope this encourages you to try more stirred cocktails at home. Please be sure to check out the rest of our channel in case you need any extra techniques to improve your cocktail making. I'll see you next time.